Hello everybody, my name is David, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to back up your stuff with Parrot Backup. Now this is a first-time guide, so the first thing we need to do is get the program installed. And we do that by going to the Parrot Backup website at parrotbackup.com. Now there are a couple things you need to use this program. You need to be on a Windows computer, you need to be using either Internet Explorer or Firefox, and you need the Microsoft .NET Framework version 3.5 with Service Pack 1. If those things are not installed, you're going to see a pop-up box here offering to install the .NET Framework. If everything's ready to go, you're going to see a Let's Go button here like I have, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And in just a moment, the registration page appears. And we do ask you to give us your email address and register so that we can count downloads, but there's no cost to use Parrot Backup, there's no advertising in the program, and we don't share your email address or use it to send you spam. Microsoft is going to ask if you want to install this application, and we're going to click Install. Yes, we do. And in just a moment, the program downloads and runs. I'm going to close this browser window behind here and this slide so that you can see that there is a Parrot Backup icon on the desktop as well. You can use that to start the program from now on. And I'm going to maximize this window, and then let's take a look at some of the things that we can do with the program. Okay, to do a backup, Parrot needs to know what you want to copy and where you want to put it. Today I'm going to copy my pictures so I can get them off of this computer. So I'm going to click Copy From and navigate over to where my pictures are stored. Now this computer is running Vista, and in Vista the pictures are under the folder with your name on it. So I'm going to click on David and look for my Pictures folder. There it is, and click OK. And we'll see that Parrot Backup draws a large green folder underneath Copy From that says See Users David Pictures, and that's where pictures are stored in Vista. Now I could click Copy From again and add another location like my music or my favorites or my documents. I could back up any number of files that I created using Parrot Backup. But for this example, I'm just going to stick with the pictures today. The other thing Parrot Backup needs to know is where you want the backup to go. And we have some choices there too. You can back up to a flash drive or USB memory stick, a hard drive, internal, external, or over a network, or an optical drive like a CD, DVD, or Blu-ray. And we're going to show you some of those other examples in later videos in this series. Today I'm going to back up to a flash drive because they're easy to use, inexpensive, and easy to find at office supply stores and drugstores. So I recommend that you look for one of these. I'm going to go ahead and plug that flash drive into my USB port right now. When I do that, Windows recognizes that a new drive has been added, and you're going to see a blinking autoplay box down here. We can close that because we don't need it. But I do want to click the Copy To button in Parrot Backup and tell the program that this is where I want my backup to go. So I'm going to click on Computer and look for that drive, and there it is. It's the thumb drive D on my computer, and I'm going to click the OK button. Okay, so Parrot Backup has added another folder icon underneath the Copy To column here, this D folder for my thumb drive that I'm going to back up to. And I could just click the Go button and this backup would start. But I'm going to take an extra step here because what if some of these pictures may already be on this D drive? I'm maybe just bringing this back up current. And that's exactly what this pre-flight check button is for, so let's click it and find out. And it says that there are 19 files that need to be backed up in this pictures folder. I can also mouse over any of these pictures and click the open button and take a look at them and see what they look like and see if these are the ones that indeed need to be backed up. And I concur, they do need to be backed up. So I'm going to click the Go button and let the backup start. The first thing you'll notice is that the Go button disappears. I have a Stop button over here instead. I can use this anytime to pause the backup and pick it up later. So let's try that out. I'm going to click Stop. It takes it a moment to finish the file it's on, and then the border turns green, the Go button appears again, and I can even close the program and come back in here and pick this backup up from where I left off. So let's try that. And if I click Pre-Flight Check again to have it check which files still need to be backed up, I'll see that there are 11 pending and 8 backed up, just like there were when I quit. And I can click Go and pick the backup up right from here. Now while this is finishing, I want to tell you a little bit about the other kinds of media you can use to do your backups. You can back up onto a CD, a DVD, or a Blu-ray drive. Be sure to watch our video about burning a CD if you do that. You can back up to a local or network hard drive or a handheld external hard drive. So check out those options as well as the flash drive we're using here today. Alright, now my backup is almost finished. There, it's done. So we can see now that there are 19 files in the backed up column instead of in the pending column. And I could show you what we can do with these files now that they're backed up. But I think it's even more interesting to look at what we can do with the files without having Parrot Backup running or installed. And I'll tell you why. Someday you may find yourself on a new computer or on someone else's computer where you don't really have easy access to Parrot Backup, but you just want to get to your files. We made that really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you click on the Start menu and then go to your computer. Then you navigate to the device that has your backup on it. Now you're going to see a few things in here. My thumb drive had some other stuff on it already. It also has the log files that Parrot Backup made. But the most important thing is it has the original folder and file structure of the drive that you backed up. So on a computer running Vista, pictures are under the folder named Users, and then under the name of the person running the computer, that's me, and then a Pictures folder. And here are the pictures from my Pictures folder. And I can just open this up and browse it straight through. I can open up any of these files and copy them or print them without having any software installed at all. So we think that's a pretty important feature. Now, if you want to learn what you can do with Parrot Backup, be sure to watch our next video called Restore and More. And if you haven't already, go get your free copy of Parrot Backup today at parrotbackup.com. Thanks for watching.